Hello, and I'm going to get right to the point, but basically, I had an issue with the Remeshify add-on, and I found the solution. So I think this is going to help a lot of you a lot. So you can see I'm in Blender 5.1, and if I delete this thing and just add a simple cube in this, and I want to align this along the faces, I select this, I shift select this, tissue, tessellate, and because these are quads, you can see it doesn't work. You get an error. Now, a lot of people, if you look the error up, you'll see that it's because it's not compatible. Now, they actually did release a version that is compatible with 5.1. And the thing is, when you go to edit preferences and get extensions, and then you go to tissue, it has the older version. So what you need to do is need to go to the GitHub page, which I linked in the description, download the zip file, and then if you go to add-ons and then install from disk and select tissue, then you can see when I select this, shift select this, tessellate, you can see now the add-on works. I hope this helps a lot.